Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Beripet Yakatanat Boarding, eti Mondal, ulapan pawi kajing Sokhya halor kajing hiar ko ha Umiam Reservoir, kabalatut, ha kaban penmi boarding na kani kajaka penmi boarding. Mondal uloong, haba dan kalong shisha kabas Sokhya, bat Sokhya hadu kata-kata palat yagi weipat. Haba juba bi kajing keli Mondal uloong, bagajing pelat ya ka na kajaka dan namar baka kahiar haba ki penmi boarding ulapan kan mauru baha ka snem baladep ha kapor baduna ka ka jela kalalaban penbiang boarding namar ka ka kiu Mondal ulaban rap ru da ka baong bakarang kloy palat banyat hu lupa ke ka banja hadu menta ka jinglong jingman kadang la bante lakam ka jingkiu ha ka jingdon jong ka kan syong ha ka jinghap jong uslap ubangi yo ha ka ni ka ayom slap.
Naturally, when water is not there, it is a matter of concern. It is not that it is not a matter of concern. We wish that the water will come soon and fill up the reservoir. We are working closely. I am more tense than you are. No, releasing water is not a question that we are releasing water to just go out of the reservoir. The way we are telling that we are releasing the water outside of our tunnels and all these things. No, when energy will be generated, water will reset automatically. No? Lean period last time, yes, we had sufficient power with us. So we thought that as power is already available with us, let us close this gate. So that's how we got more water accumulated in the reservoir. Now, it is too early to predict anything. See, as of now, we are okay. But I don't know how long monsoon will lead us. And it will depend on all that. Yeah, if monsoon is okay, then we will get lots of water. We will be taken care of. Without taking care of, how they will construct the... Suppose we release the water and it submerges the bridge there. So that will be not allowed, no? So they will take the high flood level and it will be bridge will be over that high flood level. That they will take care of. That is no problem. I don't think that will be a problem. See, the thing is that when the monsoon is good, water is available, generation will be high. When monsoon is less, means water level is less, definitely it will affect the generation. I'm not telling that no, it is not affecting the generation. See, I will give an example of Ganol. Ganol's the maximum capacity is 22.5 megawatt. This time when the pre-monsoon was hitting us, you might have seen those garbages and all these things accumulating there in Ganol. Those few days we generated even 24 megawatt, means 0.5 megawatt per unit we have generated more. So more water means more generation, naturally. I don't know exactly. I need to get the information. See, it is a continuous process. When we need, we purchase. When we have some sufficient thing, we sell also. Like earlier we used to do swatting, but we now go for Indian energy actions.